Oh, you're emotional.
And
do you like Senti music?
Talisman.
No. Oh,
Like literally crying.
Why?
तो मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था अपने आप पे कि मैं रोने चालू किया। इमैकुलेट तो सब लोग बोलते हैं।
डांट क्यों रहा है? Hi. I'm sorry, I'm carjacking you today.
It's all right.
Which is your favorite stadium?
To play at would be Wankhede.
Wankhede to play.
Yeah.
And to view?
I wouldn't go and watch in the stadium.
You'll only watch on TV.
TV में भी एकदम, once in a blue moon I watch the game, or otherwise I only watch highlights.
Oh, nice. How is this season being? What's different from previous season? Not in terms of cricket, just Mahal.
Mahal is good. See, to have a great IPL season, it is important that you have a fantastic first game, and thankfully we started on a good note. I feel when you start on a good note, the vibe, the energy of the team is always high. Everyone is in high spirits, so I think in the future games, obviously it will reflect well. And having said that, it is important that you stay humble as well.
This is something that I had observed, and I think because whenever you talk and whenever you're giving interviews also, your self-belief is like so high. Was it always like this? Like, did you always talk to yourself in that tone? Did you always talk to others in that tone? Which is just very, not positive, it's just really, I don't know what's the word. It's like uplifting.
Thanks for that, but yes, it's been natural because I've faced a lot of rejections and failures when I was young. Okay. Pretty much similar to everyone's life. And I just love to overcome those barriers. I always give an example of a lion.
Tattoo bhi hai?
हाँ, lion का tattoo भी है. So I think I feel connected to that animal and the traits it possesses.
Yeah. So you are actually a true शेर.
True शेर अभी वो तो नहीं बोल सकता मैं.
नहीं मतलब सब शेर ही बोल रहे हैं, king ही बोल रहे हैं और tattoo का भी है, and then you're saying king is your king बोल रही हूँ. Lion is your spirit animal.
No, rabbit is my spirit.
I don't even know. I don't want to ask why.
But yeah, if I have to associate myself with some animal, and I feel predominantly everyone would say that.
Bunny.
But yeah, नहीं bunny नहीं, lion के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ मैं. But मुझे किसी ने तो बोला था मेरा spirit animal rabbit है, तब से it's kind of funny.
It is, yeah. Mine is butterfly.
Oh, nice.
You have a lot of animal tattoos, no?
हाँ, इधर एक butterfly है पीछे, फिर eagles है.
I'm in his head.
Lions.
Basically, that's what it means, guys.
Lion, एक ही lion.
एक lion है, एक butterfly है और दो.
lion है, हाँ, एक ही lion.
Can we see your playlist?
Few of my favorites like Anuv Jain, Arjit Singh, फिर कैलाश खेर.
Oh, you're emotional. Do you like Senti music?
जब भी मुझे I love Senti music. It's not, I don't see it as a Senti music, to be honest.
Does it make you feel?
I just love the music and उनके loves.
Last क्या सुना था?
Last क्या सुना था? वो यही चालू था, झोल.
It's my favorite song currently.
झोल.
I keep listening to Jhol and Afsos. Have you heard of Afsos?
Afsos is a fantastic song.
I
love it.
And it makes me really senti. Match ke din in the stadium, so I don't know if it was someone from the team and anyone, but somebody was saying, "Yeah, Shreyas Hindi mein nahi baat karta." I think like your vocab has really changed over the years.
Just try to add new words in my dictionary, in my memory.
What's your new favorite word? Have you learned anything? Can you teach me a few words? I don't know.
Yeah, the new word which I've learned is superfluous.
Superfluous.
Yeah, unnecessary.
It means unnecessary. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo, next interview.
Superfluous, cynosure.
Shiner?
Cynosure.
Cynosure.
Cynosure is the center of attraction.
You.
Yeah, see, I didn't say that.
At least for this video. Okay, cynosure, superfluous. Nice. And where do you learn? Do you Google?
No, but there are a few friends who keep sending it to me.
Like today's new word.
Yeah, so they take a screenshot and send it.
That is
my
so
auntie.
Cute.
One is my auntie, and the other one is a doctor. You must be knowing him. You must have met him at Champions Trophy. Aditya Daftari.
Oh my God, he's a
Yeah.
great guy.
Yeah, he keeps sending me. I just told him that I just need 2 words in a week, and he keeps sending me words every day.
What to do it? Very, very South
And
Bombay.
there's one more word which is like a talisman. I'm sure you would be knowing that. Talisman.
No.
Talisman is like a lucky mascot.
Me!
Lucky mascot or lucky person or someone like that. Yeah.
So you said your friends tell you. Tell me about your friends. Who is your... I know you are a very friendly person. What are your views on friendship, and talk to me about your friends?
I have a limited set of friends, to be honest. Small circle. Awan Khan, Siddesh Lad, Abhishek Nair, predominantly are from cricketing circle.
Mumbai.
And सब मुंबई की है ज़्यादातर. And then I have another set of friends with like I grew up with them.
So closer, like if you're going through something at 2 a.m. and
No one.
I know
No one.
I know you're going to say
Yeah,
that. I
no
know
one.
you're going to say no one. But you have to get advice on someone, or you just need to rant to someone. Who would you do it to?
I just have to
Rant to someone.
rant to someone. I'm not that kind of person, to be honest. I would probably watch a movie or listen to music and just forget about that thing. And right now I'm in that place, or that place in my mind where I know, or maybe like I'm not trying to sound condescending over here, but I feel that I've got answers for everything out there.
When did you mature so much?
I told you, right? I've been part of this fraternity for 10 years now. I've seen almost everything.
Yeah.
And then I developed this habit of only talking positive things to myself.
That's an amazing thing
Yeah.
he does. And fam, you close to fam? I know you have a
Very,
sister,
very
mom,
close. Very
dad.
close to my family. My mom and dad, they still come and drop me at the airport. So you can imagine how close I am.
That is so cute.
Yeah.
Do you like family support, or you tell them इतना मत pressure लो, घर पे बैठो, chill करो?
Start में बोलता था because I used to be nervous, but now अभी ऐसे position में आया हूँ where they also want to come and enjoy, and it's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
You know, that's why I learned that word, talisman.
Huh. Oh, sweet. Lucky mascot.
Yeah.
Me. It is me. I need you to ingrain this in your head that I am a talisman now, starting today.
She's forcing me to do that.
This is so rude. Okay, fine. So now that we know what makes Shreyas sad and how he copes with himself, you said that you watch movies sometimes. What is your favorite genre?
Prehistoric movies, war movies.
War movies?
Yeah.
अभी क्या देख रहे हो?
अभी तो मैंने almost सब खत्म कर दिया.
Literally?
Yeah.
पूरा Hotstar, पूरा Netflix,
मतलब
पूरा
war movies के जो भी categories में आते हैं movies.
Troy Shaw and all that type.
Yeah.
Spartans.
Favorite is Gladiator.
Obviously. Did you see the new Gladiator?
Yeah, I did see.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's nice. Because I've seen Gladiator so many times, I can connect it to the second part as well. His son comes over and it's like
You give me Gladiator vibes. That should be your next tattoo.
Gladiator.
Yeah, actually. The
one which I've made over here, it is related to that. I guess.
That's a very intricate and cool tattoo.
Yeah, it's immaculate, isn't it?
Vocab class. We should do
ये
a different
vocab
video.
थोड़ी है यार, immaculate तो सब लोग बोलते हैं.
डांट क्यों रहा है? अब इनका जिम क्लास है. मैं वॉक करूंगी इनके साथ because I can't gym with them. निकल गया. Didn't even say चलो साहिबा. Very rude. Very rude. Just you think this video is over? It's not.
Oh, it's not?
No, I have to work with you. Okay, we let him work out now because
Yes,
that's his focus.
I'm gonna go in my zone.
Interval.
Then I
bye-bye.
start ignoring people.
Talisman. Okay, have a good workout.
Thanks,
I'll
I'll see you around.
Shreyas,
Huh?
what are you doing, Vaise? What are you going to play? I'm asking you.
So that's why I came down, no?
When was the last time you cried?
Last time I cried was during Champions Trophy. First practice session.
Oh,
Like literally crying.
why?
बिकॉज आई बैटेड इन द नेट्स और मेरा बैटिंग अच्छा नहीं हुआ था, तो मुझे इतना गुस्सा आ रहा था अपने आप पे कि मैं रोने चालू किया. एंड आई वाज आल्सो शॉक कि मैं रोता नहीं हूँ ऐसा इजीली. So that means it shows that how much
passion you have for
yeah
and how well you want yourself to do.
yeah because England series में मेरा अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस हो गया था. So I thought कि वो same flow सब आ जाएगा, but इधर wickets अलग थे थोड़ा सा, and then to adapt on the first day itself was kind of arduous. It was an arduous task. तो फिर जैसे प्रैक्टिस खत्म हो गया, मुझे थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा करना था और मिला नहीं था मुझे एक्स्ट्रा बैटिंग, तो मैं गुस्सा हो गया था एकदम, बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था मेरे को.
And your slots also very tight during these, na?
Yeah.
They hardly get time in the nets as compared to IPL where you can get much more time. Then how did you cope with that? You performed better the next day?
Yeah, so next day when I came and batted in the nets, मैंने बोला अच्छा करूँगा. And that is important, you know, जो आप when you do the work behind the scenes, that is more important than what you showcase on the field.
Yeah, 100%.
So when you are confident of the field, automatically you get that boost to come out there and perform in the middle.
Apart from cricket, what has been one of your happiest moments in the recent year? Okay.
अभी happy वाला तो I'm happy every day यार. I'm thankful, I'm grateful for the gift. So whenever I see my family, whenever I see Betty, my dog, just by looking at them, actually I feel very connected to dogs. You know, any dogs I see on the street or at home, I just love to be around them, and they show that unconditional love to you.
Yeah.
It's out of this world, that feeling.
You're a great dancer. Everyone talks about your dancing.
करके तो नहीं दिखा सकता हूँ, but
गाड़ी में क्या दिखाओगे? जब सीटी जीते थे तो सेलिब्रेट कैसे किया था?
वो गाना बजा था यार, वो कौन सा गाना था? पंजाबी. ओ हो.
देखा, पंजाबी गाने में श्रेयस नाचा था. Oh, that's when you did the.
And then वो छोटे से करते हैं वो स्टेप. एक्चुअली हम लोग के
तारक मेहता.
नहीं यार, मैं जब भी कितना 10 साल का था, जो हम लोग के फ्रेंड सर्कल थे सोसाइटी में, तो उसमें एक लड़का था ओम. ओम, वो तो उसका ये फेवरेट स्टेप था, ये गाना जब भी बोलता था. हाँ,
so cute.
तो उससे मैंने उठाया ये स्टेप.
Growing up, did you envision this life for yourself? Like the life that you're living, did you ever think that this? Did you vision it?
Not really. No.
It's gone beyond.
नहीं, मैंने तो सोचा था कि I want this when I grow up on this particular age. It's gone beyond.
It's gone beyond. That's amazing. That's always amazing. What are you grateful to the most?
I'm grateful for having such amazing parents and family, friends, people who motivate me all the time, my coaches, and each and every individual I bump into. Yeah.
He's talking about me. And that's all I've taken from this answer of his. Thanks, yeah.
Pleasure.
Amazing.